Hello, second grade. We are on Module 9, Week 3, Lesson 12. And today is a review of our high-frequency words. So let's look at these and read them together. We have above, again, along, myself, once, peace, something, table, they, and wanted. So today's activity with our high frequency words, because we're not together in person, is a little bit different, and it is so fun. So I know you'll be excited, but you are going to write a story using these high frequency words, and I have got you started. So let's use our imagination and we can do this together. So the first word that I chose to use was something. And my sentence is, I saw something odd on the way to school. And then the next word I chose to use was wanted. I wanted to take a closer look. Now it is your job to use the rest of the words and finish our story. Please feel free to send me your stories that you wrote. I would love to hear them. So let's do a little blend work. We've learned how to segment or break apart longer words into their syllables, so we're going to practice that. For each picture on the screen, you will say the picture name and then say each of its syllables. So I'll do the first one. The first one I want to do is the word uniform. The syllables in uniform are U-N-I-form. Listen as I say the word and its syllables again. Uniform. U-N-I-form. So how many syllables is that? That is 3 syllables. Good job. So let's do the second one together as well. This is a picture of icicles. The word is icicles. Say the syllables with me. I-C-Icles, icicles. What are the syllables? I-C-Icles. 3 syllables again. Now it's your turn. So look at picture 3. What is picture 3? Picture 3 is a koala. So what are the syllables? Yes, 3 syllables. You are correct. So we're going to go through the picture card and look at all of the pictures that it's showing us and think about how many syllables each picture has. So number 4, it is a turtle. They're calling that a turtle instead of a tortoise. So it is a turtle. So how many syllables would the word turtle have? Turtle. We have 2. What about the picture on number 5? It's not a guitar. It's a ukulele. Have you ever heard of that before? A ukulele. So that's going to be a fun one. Let's clap that out. Ukulele. How many did we have? 4. Good job. Number 6 is a whistle. So let's clap out those syllables. Whistle. Whistle. How many? 2. Let's look at the picture for number 7. That is a lamb. Lamb. How many syllables? 1. L-A-M-B. Lamb. And the last one is an igloo. Igloo. And how many syllables did you hear in that word? 2. Good job, friends. Wonderful. Okay, boys and girls, let's work on some more blends. Look at this word. What do we think this word is? Let's look at each section of the word. We have T-H-I-M-B-L-E. So what sound does T-H make? Say the sound with me. T-H says f, f. I says I. M says m. B says b. And L-E says ew. Thimble, thimble. Let's look at this together, and I will show you the blend motion as we read it. Thimble, thimble. Let's try again. thimble. So we have T-H-I-M-B-L-E. Thimble. Thimble. There's our two syllables. Put it all together. Thimble. Let's try another one. We have K-E-T-T-L-E. What is this word? Kettle. K-E-T is ket. T-L-E, tull. Put it all together. Kettle. Let's look at one more. W-R-I-N-K-L-E. Wrinkle. R-ing-kle. Wrinkle. Wrinkle. Good job. All right, let's do some more work with some blending. We have jingle, simple, shuffle, settle, spindle, gentle, riddle, and struggle. Let's do simple. Let's do simple. How would we divide out simple? How many syllables would that have? So what do we know? We know that if we clap it out, simple, we know we have two syllables. So we could divide the word in half. What half, or where would you divide the word in half? Simple. If you said S-I-M and P-L-E, you are correct. All right, let's try another one. Let's do struggle. Struggle. Let's clap it out. Struggle. So where would we draw the line, or where would we divide the word in half? Between the two G's. Yes, yes, struggle, struggle. Good job. All right, we heard the thunder rumble before it began to drizzle. We heard the thunder rumble before it began to drizzle. Let's read the next sentence. I'd like to sample the apple pie, said Uncle Zach. All right, so look at the letters at the top of the chart, and let's sort the words at the left by using their endings, okay? So again, we're using the endings. So let's do the first one together. The first word is jingle. What is the final syllable in this word? Jingle. Yes, G-L-E. So we're going to put the word jingle under the heading that says G plus L-E. Oh, how do I move it? Okay, so jingle would go right here under G plus L-E, jingle. What about shuffle? Let's look at that one, shuffle. Would it go under D plus L-E? No. What about F plus L-E? There's your F and there's your L-E. So yes, you would put the word shuffle right here under F plus L-E. All right, guys, if you will continue on with all of these words and place them in the appropriate heading.